Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do another cash envelope stuffing, and this is the last one for the month of May. So here are my binders, and I just want to show you my nails. So I did another one. These are press-on nails, and I just like it because whenever I watch cash stuffers and I see that their nails are long like these, I just like them. So, ayun, ginaya ko naman. Ayan, tatry ko ngayon. This is my first time doing this cash stuffing with long nails. Hindi talaga ako sanay sa long nails, guys. Pero dahil nga nagandahan ako sa mga videos na napanood ko na gaganda ng nails nila, ang haba. So, tatry ko ngayon. Ayan, kunyari saucy. Okay, so guys, this is a low income cash envelope stuffing. And I want to tell you guys na ito lang talaga yung pumapasok na cash sa akin. Ito lang yung pera namin every month. Okay? So, sa mga katulad ko na low income lang, don't worry kasi wala naman sa laki ng pera yon. Nasa pagbabudget yan. Okay, so for me, I think this envelope system, this way of saving is effective. At don't worry, guys. Lalaki din yan. Magkakaipon din tayo. So, tsaga-tsaga lang and stick to our budget. Okay, so start tayo sa aking binder. Nandito yung mga cash envelopes. So, tanggalin muna natin to. Let's put that to the side. And also this calculator. Okay, let's open that. Ayan. So, tinagalog ko na rin para baka sakaling mas maraming manood. Hindi pa ako nahirapan, ano. Okay, so for grocery, 500. Naku po, ito ng struggle. Ayun. 500. So, yung unang nilagay ko dito, yung budget ko for the first 2 weeks of May, tinanggal ko na, tapos nilagay ko na siya dito. So, meron akong another wallet. Ito yung dinadala ko sa labas pag namimili. Ito na siya. Ito yung 500. Ito na yun. Nandito. Yan, nagastos ko na. So, may mga natira pa. So, titingnan natin at the end of the month kung magkano talaga yung matitira. Ay, naku po. Ayan na. Hindi ko maibalik. Mamaya ka na. Ang hirap ng mahabang kuko talaga. Okay. Tapos, sa eating out, meron tayong 500 ulit na budget. Okay. Ito, bago. Yan, ito yung bagong 500, guys. Yan, bilisan lang natin. Gusto ko ma-extend video lang eh. Okay, tapos cellphone, hindi tayo maglalagay. Yung miscellaneous, may 50. Okay, lagyan ulit natin ng 50. Okay, miscellaneous kits. 50 pesos again. Okay. Okay, now vitamins. Vitamins is getting 150 today. So, meron tayong 100 before. Actually, bibili talaga ako ng vitamins, so mababawasan to. So, now we have 250. 250 for vitamins. Okay. Alam niyo, sa sobrang tipid ko, hindi ako nagba-vitamins pag di naman ako lumalabas ng bahay. Para lang makaipon dito, no? Maipon ko yung pera dyan. Okay, next, then toiletries. Wala pa tayong mailalagay sa toiletries. Okay, so that's it for my cash envelopes. Next, okay, let's put that to the side again. Next is our pretty DC binder. Okay, so, yeah, let's open that. Cute-cute nito, grabe. Like na like ko to. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng binders ko. And also, guys, kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko kinabit talaga to, kasi may trick to it. The first time that I was going to do cash stuffing, I actually put them on, pero even before maka-open ako ng isang envelope, nagtatanggalan na sila. So, sabi ko, epic fail to. Ayun, pero ngayon, I found out a better way to stick them para hindi sila mahuhulog. Madikit talaga. So, if you want to know how I did that, just comment down below kasi tricky talaga ta. Okay. Then, next is health. Health is getting 100 pesos. So, we already have 100 here. So, guys, ito. Okay, 1, 2, 200. Ito, magagamit ko talaga. Magagastos ko kasi I'm going to have my laboratory test. Alam niyo sa Generica, yung may mga laboratory test sila doon. So, I availed that. Para lang naman, just to make sure that everything is okay with my health. Ayun. So, yun. Gagamitin ko yan para doon. And then, Queen Bee, this is not getting any a budget for this one. And that's 150. Okay, let's get the money here. Then add 150. Okay, so self-care has now 100, 250, 300. Okay, so 300 na for self-care. Kulang pa yan pag nagpa-reband, diba? So, since di naman tayo palalabas, magtiis na lang muna sa kulot-kulot na hair. Okay. So, Mother B is not getting anything today. Anniversary is not getting anything. Shopping. Laging may budget sa shopping. Shopping is getting 100 pesos. So, we have 100 there. Dadagdagan na lang natin. Hindi ko nakukunin. Okay. Pinili talaga yung malutong. Okay, so 100. Mahirap isaksak. Okay, ayan. Etong shopping na to. So, pag nagpunta sa mall, sa SM. Okay, so gifts is getting 50 pesos. Yeah. Yay! Okay, sino kayang mariregaluhan ko? Worth 50 pesos. Okay, vacation. Ooh, as if naman makakapag-bakasyon. Vacation is getting 100 pesos. We already have 100 pesos there. Who knows, diba? Yan. Malay nyo, biglang mawala ang COVID. Pwede na magbakasyon. Yan. Maigi yung meron kang nakahandang pera. Ayan. Hindi mo lang nakapag-beach ngayong summer. So, yung ilalagay kong budget dito is pag may mga sobra na lang from, halimbawa, from my budgets for grocery or sa eating out. So, yun ang mapupunta dito. Okay, malayo ka pa. $100 placeholder. Okay, wow. So, we're done with my cutesy, anong tawag? Daisy binder. Okay, next. Eto na. So, this is my savings binder. Okay, so 52 weeks wala. Meron sa emergency fund and that is 50 pesos. Yan. So, 50 pesos. May 50 na tayo from last week. Hindi yan nagamit. Another 50 today. Okay, so next is my baby. Okay, nalagay ko na dito yung para sa kanya. So, okay na. Wala na tayong ilalagay dyan. Then, savings. So, savings is getting 250 today. Ba to? Puro 20 ba to? Okay. Bilangin natin savings ko. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Dami. Okay, let's count. So we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, and 500. Wow, meron agad 500. Baka mauna to sa 5,000. Sa $100. $100 placeholder. Okay. Savings. Now, debt payment. Of course, ito ang pinaka malaking gastos. Ito kasi guys, nakabili kasi ako ng bagong laptop. Ginamit ko sa aking part-time job. Okay, so that payment is getting 1,000 pesos. Eh, syempre, mahal yun. Pinutang ko lang pambili. Kailangan mabayaran agad. Okay, so, wow. So, that has now 2,000. And then, honeybee. Ito ang social. Dollar ang pera. Okay, so, pinwersa ko siya na magbigay. Okay, so, kinulit-kulit ko siya. At ayun, meron pa siyang $100 sa, $1 sa pitaka niya. So, this is going inside. Okay, so now he has $100 and what? Wow! Ooh, social dolyares ang pera ni Honeybee. Okay, kasi daw, iniipon niya talaga to, may bibilhin siya. Okay, then, wala tayong ilalagay dito. Wait, guys. Meron ako natirang 200 and I suspect yung spending yun. Nasaan ba yung spending ko? Okay, let's find it. I think nandito siya sa first one. First spending. Oh, there it is. So, spending is getting 200 pesos. Okay, so I have already put 300 here. So, another one and this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so spending additional 200 pesos. Let's count the money here. 1 2 3 4 420 440 460 480 500. Okay, so nagtataka kayo, ang laki ng spending kasi po ito yung pambayad ko sa mga order ko online, kaya ayan. Ayan, di na magkasya sa sobrang laki ng pera ko. Okay. So, ayan. So, yan yung pambayad ko sa mga online orders ko. Kasi may mga kailangan talaga akong bilhin. Kaya, ayan. Wow! That's it, guys. We are done. And now, as usual, so, let's see how much money we stuffed today. So, we stuffed a total of 3,200 pesos today. And let me just show you my cash tray. Ayan. So, yun yan. Ang ganda pagka may cash tray kasi hindi nagugulo kasi nung last time that I did my video, nung nakahanay lang yung pera, kada kuha ko nagugulo. Maraming ganon cash tray sa mga online shops. Pero since nagtitipid ako at ayoko muna gumastos, talagang sabi ko, kailangan magkaroon ako ng cash tray na hindi ako gagastos. So, eto, nakita ko siya sa kitchen pa rin, no? Sa pantry. Nandun ang, taran! So, this is just a cereal box. Ayan, hindi ko pa nga na-cover. Ka-cover ko para mas maganda, mas presentable yun naman. So, ayan, tsinaga ko lang siyang gawin. Ayan, so puro tape and glue lang siya. Ay di nagkaroon ako ng cash tray nang hindi gumastos. O, diba? Wais na misis. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. So, sana if you like this video, please thumbs up. And also, please subscribe. I need subscribers. Okay, so yeah. And thank you so much, guys, and take care, all of you. Bye.